We're Team Tornadoes.
I'm Nick.
I'm Yusuf.
I'm Henry. I'm Agnes.
What is a tornado? Tornadoes are huge towers of spinning air. Tornadoes are very fast, too fast to drive away in a car. Did you know that some people chase tornadoes for their job? These are called storm chasers. Here comes Yusuf to tell you how and where the tornadoes happen.
Where do we see this weather? We see Tornado Alley. It can fling trees and cars, rip houses, and sadly hurt you. So right here in the red mark, it is Tornado Alley. For me, I think it's actually Texas gets the most in Tornado Alley. And down here, this is two tornadoes. For me, I think this is just like the two same, but when I actually looked, it actually was two tornadoes that looked the same. And the one like right over me, right here, this one is about to go to a village. This one's in the street, the one like I'm pointing at, you see already. That one. And that one, oh my God. This part is the part like when it sucks the dirt that's loose and it turns brown. Now we're gonna get Advic, and now he's gonna tell you how the atmosphere works.
When cold air hits hot air, they collide. The hot air spins upward. Meanwhile, the cold air goes down. That makes a funnel cloud. That makes a tornado. And over here is the hot air just going upwards to the overshooting top, and then the cold air is going down to make the tornado, the funnel cloud that makes a tornado. And he's going to finish like the tornado.
A safe place is a basement. The next best spot is a bathroom or a closet. If there is a threat of a tornado, go to the lowest floor and stay away from windows. Keep a flashlight and a cell phone and a radio. You can see right here, it shows all the outlines of like how strong and how fast the tornado is moving those bits. And right here is the basement, but there used to be an entire house there, but now it's wrecked, so you're safe in there. And right here, it just got lots of dirt, and the clouds are not really dark, and it's just a tiny storm. And down here, you can see it's just like a storm. Right here. Right here. You can see right there. Yeah.
Are you prepared for the next tornado? We are here to teach you about hurricanes. I'm Ben.
I'm Rowan.
I'm Jackson.
And I'm Ryan. Hurricanes. It is the biggest storm. Rain pours down. The wind is blowing very fast. Here's how they form. Warm winds rise up. Cold winds sink down. This only happens over warm waters. Winds circle around clouds. When they reach 74 miles per hour, the storm is called a hurricane. Up here, you see the arrow you're seeing is pointing to the eye of the storm. That part, even though it is known the smallest part, it isn't very deadly. It's just calm winds. Here comes Jackson to tell you more.
Hurricanes form over warm water around the equator. Hurricanes form when wet air rises and cools to turn into clouds, while cooler air rushes under it. Then it spins around the center called the eye. The eye is a calm air tunnel. And here comes Ryan to teach you about the damage of a hurricane. Also, this diagram is how hurricanes form. And here comes Ryan to teach you more. about damage of a hurricane.
They are known to be the most dangerous storm in the world. We normally see these near the equator. The damage, it can rip the trees off the ground, and they can cause floods too. And right there is the eye where not very windy winds are there, like that black spot. And also it looks like a meteor. Here comes Rowan for our final slide.
Never go in basement, it's gonna flood. Stay far away from beaches. Check weather reports. Go to the top floor. Here you can see hurricane season. Are you prepared?
I
hope you are prepared now.
All about thunderstorms.
I'm AJ.
I'm Charlotte.
I'm Mila.
I'm Aya.
I'm Dakota. Thunderstorms, awesome. A thunderstorm can sometimes make hail. They can make tornadoes too. The charge gets very powerful. It looks for a way to escape.
You can find thunderstorms mostly anywhere. They are normally in warm places. Here comes AJ to teach you more about thunderstorms.
Thunderstorms are dangerous, but you don't need to be afraid. Lightning is hotter than the sun, so if you get struck by lightning, you could die. Lightning can cause wildfires. They can be very severe, but they are not severe a lot. Here comes Charlotte to tell you more.
Thunderstorms can be very dangerous if you aren't prepared. It's important to get inside a building or a car during a thunderstorm. The lightning can be deadly. If you can't get inside, be sure to stay away from water, metal, and tall objects. Safety checklist. Find shelter inside building or car. Do not hide under tall objects. Avoid flooded areas. Unplug appliances. Follow news for weather updates. About 100 lightning bolts hit the earth each second. But right here, you can see what thunder can do, but also it's hard. How do I do it? Here, you can also see what thunderstorms can do. And last comes Mila.
Thunderstorms form because moist, warm air and cold air keep bumping into each other, making electricity. All that electricity makes lightning.
When thunder roars, go indoors. Team Blizzards. We're here to teach you about blizzards.
I'm Colin. I'm Robbie. I'm Grant. I'm Sinai.
What is a blizzard and ice storm? A blizzard is a huge snowstorm that can cause powerful winds and a lot of damage. And an ice storm is snow at first and then goes into warmer air that melts it and then goes into colder air so that it freezes when it touches the ground. It freezes and causes a lot of damage. So right here you can see that a house got covered in snow by a blizzard. And then over here, you can see that a car got frozen in ice from an ice storm. And here comes Colin to teach us where blizzards happen.
Blizzards happen in Maine, Alaska, Iowa, Michigan, Montana, Colorado, Kansas, and Washington. Blizzards can also cause car accidents and power outages, and roads can be icy. Here is the map of where blizzards happen. Here comes Grant to teach you about how to stay safe. To stay safe in a blizzard, stay inside. If you have to go outside, dress warmly. Keep water, blankets, food, and warm clothes in your car.
If you're prepared, a blizzard doesn't need to be dangerous. Here comes Sinai to teach you how do blizzards form.
A snowstorm needs cold air, lots of moisture, and lift. When cold air and warm air meet, the warm air rises over the cold air. This turns the moisture in the air into snow. But a blizzard is different from a snowstorm. A snowstorm becomes a blizzard when it has four things: heavy blowing snow, wind speed greater than 35 miles per hour. You can't see there is so much snow lasts longer than 3 hours.
Hope you're prepared for the next blizzard.
We are here to teach you about floods. I'm Ella. I'm Riley.
I'm Caroline.
I'm Caroline.
I'm Carter.
Floods are dangerous and you can die, so evacuate quickly to be safe. Next up is Caroline.
Floods can happen anywhere around the world. Major floods happen in New York, Minnesota, North Dakota, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Massachusetts, Colorado, Texas, Louisiana, Kansas, Missouri, and Oklahoma. But most of the states only have a quarter or half of where you can get major floods, so you are probably safe. And our next one is Riley.
Floods can be caused by lots and lots of heavy rain. Floods can also be caused by lots and lots of snow and ice. Floods can also be caused by hurricanes. Next up is Caroline.
To stay safe in a flood, you need to leave the area. Next is Carter.
Floods can cause a lot of damage. They can destroy roads, fast, hard rains overrun streets and homes.
We hope you learned about floods.